In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Deliveroo app if it's not working properly. Whether you're craving your favorite meal or just need to place an order, it can be frustrating when the app isn't cooperating. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through some simple steps to get your Deliveroo app back up and running. Let's get started. First things first, let's make sure that your internet connection is strong and stable. Often, the root of the issue lies in a spotty Wi-Fi signal or a weak data connection. If your connection is unreliable, try switching to a different network or looking for a stronger signal. Sometimes merely turning off your Wi-Fi and turning it back on can fix minor connectivity issues. Ensuring that you have a good internet connection is the foundation for a seamless app experience. Next, we want to check whether the app itself is up to date. Updates are crucial as they often contain bug fixes and improvements to enhance performance. Head to the App Store or Google Play, depending on whether you're using iOS or Android, and see if there's a new version of Deliveroo available. If there is, download and install the update before checking whether the app is working properly. It's always a good habit to keep all your apps updated, as developers constantly work to improve user experience. Now, if that doesn't solve the issue, we should address app-specific data that might be causing trouble. For Android users, this means clearing the app cache. Clearing the cache can solve problems related to stored data without affecting your personal settings. Just go to your phone's settings, find apps, select Deliveroo, and then hit clear cache. If you're an iOS user, or if clearing the cache doesn't work, consider reinstalling the app on your device. Uninstall the app, then head back to the App Store or Google Play to download it again. This ensures you're starting with a fresh, clean version of the app. In some cases, a simple restart of your phone can work wonders. Rebooting your device clears out temporary issues and refreshes all processes, which might just take care of any lingering glitches affecting your app. If you've tried all these steps and the app still isn't working, it's time to reach out to Deliveroo support. Visit help.deliveroo.com where you can choose your country to find the relevant customer service resources. They'll have additional tools and expertise to help troubleshoot any unresolved problems. Remember, you're not alone in this, and support teams are there to help you. And that wraps up our guide on how to fix the Deliveroo app if it's not functioning correctly. Hopefully, after following these steps, you're ready to place your next order without any hassle. Thanks for watching and happy ordering.